Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So this is the part 3 of the PalmPay rewards for 3 weeks. So we started this 2 weeks ago and we are currently in the last phase. So the first phase, we have what we call wildcards. Let me explain these details for those that are seeing this update for the first time. So what is this PalmPay reward kind of about? It's a kind of reward that they pay you for doing taxes. When you do tax, you get opportunities. Once you get opportunities, you can get access to get cards. And once you get cards, if you have all of the countries, including red countries like London, then you will be able to merge cards into a world card. Now, a world card is going to determine whether you'll be able to travel or you'll be able to earn money. So, for the first round, world card was about 1,190 naira. Round 2, it was about 753 naira. Now, round 3 is what we are on. And from the way things are looking, I think round 3, the money won't be a lot because they have even set a maximum cap. They have set a maximum limit to the amount of world cards per account. You can only get 10 world cards per account. Unlike before that, some people can even get up to 100 if you are able to also up to that extent. But now you have a maximum. Yeah, that's it. And it's kind of sad because world cards might not be like 200, 100 naira. If it goes to 200 naira, it will be dust almost everyone collecting. But yeah, for those that think this in the beginning phase, you have earned pretty much some amounts of money that are reasonable. If you guys look at it here, different rounds, different meaning. The last round ends next week by 8th of January, and that will be the last round, and it has more lower rewards than the first, second, and third round. So these are the tasks I can complete. If you see any 100% red tax, that means that tax will definitely give you London card. But if you see tax like all this rare one, they have an higher possibility of giving you London, but it doesn't mean that they won't give you another card. It just have an higher proximity of getting London card. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys see more videos like this, please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when new content like this. We have our WhatsApp group in the description box where we share direct updates so you can join it. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.